नया नगर एरिया में कुछ दो चार गाड़ियां जा रही थी। उसमें आर्गुमेंट हुआ था दो ग्रुप में, जिसके चलते थोड़ा सा एक पेटी उनका फाइट हुआ था। ऐसा कुछ कम्युनल वायलेंस वगैरह हुआ है स्टोन बिल्डिंग में, ये सब रूमर्स है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है।
Tensions erupted in Mumbai's Mira Road following the Ram Mandir inauguration, resulting in vandalism captured in viral videos. In response to the incidents, 13 people were reportedly arrested, and authorities deployed bulldozers to demolish illegal structures in the affected area. After the bulldozer action, police have reportedly instructed social media admins not to share content related to the clashes. Investigations are ongoing with a focus on CCTV footage to identify and apprehend those responsible for the violence.